Question 5. The diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the area. Find its area. So, while studying about the area of special quadrilateral, we have find out the formula for area of rhombus, that is half into two diagonals multiplied by two diagonals, d1 multiplied by d2. Here directly we can put the values into the formula, because d1, that is diagonal 1, and diagonal 2 values are given to us, and this is diagonal 1, this is diagonal 2 of the rhombus. So area of the rhombus will be equal to half d1 multiplied by d2, that is diagonal 1 multiplied by d2, diagonal 2. This is the formula. So we will put the values into the formula, that is half into d1. d1 is 7.5 multiplied by d2 is 12. 2 6 are 12. So 7.5 multiplied by 6, that will be equal to 45 centimeter square. So area of the field that is rhombus shaped, and it is area is 45 centimeter square. Question 6. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. Altitude means the perpendicular distance, height. If one of the diagonals is 8 centimeter long, find the length of the other diagonal. So what are the things that I have given? I have drawn a rough sketch of diagram of the rhombus. 5 centimeter side is given, and you know that all the sides are same for rhombus. One of the diagonal is given to us as 8 centimeter. Altitude or the perpendicular distance is given as 4.8 centimeter. So with this we can find out one thing, area of a rhombus. This is similar to parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is base into height. So here base is 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter. So base into height formula, by that we can find out the area of rhombus, that is equal to base into height. Base is 5 centimeter and height is here 4.8 centimeter. 4.8 centimeter, that is 5 multiplied by 48 divided by 10. 5 2s are 10 and 2 2s are 4 and 4s are 8. So area of the rhombus we will get here is 24 centimeter square. Now another formula that we know about rhombus is area of rhombus is half into diagonal 1 multiplied by diagonal 2. Here diagonal 1 is known to us, that is 8 centimeter, and length of the other diagonal we have to find out. So we will put the value here, that is area of the rhombus we have find out to be 24, that is equal to half into diagonal 1 we will find out, and diagonal 2 is here, that is 8 centimeter. Okay, so 2 4s are 8, therefore d1 will be equal to 24. This will come here 24, divide this 4 will come in division, divide by 4. Therefore d1 is equal to 6 centimeter. The length of other diagonal is 6 centimeter. So whenever such question is coming, we always remember that it is similar to parallelogram. So the area will be base into height. So once we find out the area, so we can put the value into the formula. 24 is equal to half into diagonal 1 multiplied by diagonal 2, and then putting the value of one diagonal we can find out the value of length of the other diagonal, that is 6 centimeter. Question 7. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped. So the tiles are of rhombus shaped, and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. So a rhombus tile is given and their two diagonals are given. So with the two diagonals, it is easy for us to find out the area of the tile, because the formula is area of the tile of that rhombus shaped tile is half into multiplied by d1, that is diagonal 1 multiplied by diagonal 2. So 1 by 2 multiplied by diagonal 1 is 45 and diagonal 2 is 30. Then 2 15s are 30. Then 45 multiplied by 15, by multiplying we will get 675 centimeter square. It is in centimeter, so we will write it in centimeter. So now the area of one tile that we have got is 675 centimeter square. Now floor of a building consists of how many tiles? Total is 3000 tiles. So if we multiply this area of one tile into 3000 tiles, then we will get the area of the whole floor, right? So area of the floor will be equal to number of tiles multiplied by area of one tile. So number of tiles is 3000 multiplied by area of one tile is 675. So when we multiply this, we will get the answer as 20 lakh and 25,000, and this also is area, so it will be 70 meters square. So 20 lakh and 25,000 centimeter square is the area of the floor, total floor we have got. Now it is seen that the cost of polishing the floor, if the cost is ₹4, but for per meter square, and here area we have got in centimeter square. So first we will convert this area into meter square, then only we can multiply the cost per meter square cost. So let's start by converting. As we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, that means 1 centimeter square will be equal to this 2 times it will be multiplied. So 1 by 100 multiplied by 1 by 100 meter square. So 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 by 10,000 meter square. Then 20 lakh 25,000 centimeter square will be equal to cross multiplication. So 20 lakh 25,000 divided by 10,000. So these three zeros will get cancelled and this will come here point. So 202.5, this is in meter square. So now we have converted centimeter square into meter square. That is, the area of the floor is now 202.5 meter square. Now cost of polishing the floor. So what is the cost of polishing the floor is ₹4 per meter square, right? So total cost of polishing the floor will be 202.5 meter square multiplied by 4. So 202.5 multiplied by 4. This will be our total cost of polishing the floor, because per meter square cost is ₹4. So total area we have got is 202.5. So our answer, when we multiply 202.5 multiplied by 4, we will get ₹810. So hence the total cost of polishing the floor is ₹810. So this way, whenever centimeter square you are getting, you have to first convert it into meter square by like this method. That is, 1 centimeter square will be equal to 1 by 10,000 meter square. And then we will convert the centimeter square into meter square, and then we have to find out the cost like this. Now question 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. So this is a trapezium shaped field. What is given to us is side along the river. So this is river is twice than the side along the road. So if we consider this to be x, then side along the river will be 2x. It is double. If area of this field is 10,500 meter square, so area of this trapezium field is already given to us 10,500 meter square, and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter. So this is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides, that is 100 meter. Find the length of the side along the river. So this side we have to find out, that is, we have considered here this is as 2x and this as x. So let's start. Let the length of the side along the road be x meter. So along the road means this we have considered x. So this will be 2x. Then the length of the side along the river would be 2x meter. Now area of the trapezium that we know half into sum of the parallel sides multiplied by the perpendicular distance or into height. So sum of parallel sides multiplied by h, that is the height. So that will be equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides. This we have considered x and this 2x. So x plus 2x multiplied by height is 100. So 250 is 100. Then here 2x plus 3x, 2x plus x is 3x. 3x multiplied by 50, that we are getting as 150x. And area it is, so it will be meter square. So 150 meter square we have got the area of the trapezium. And we can see from the question that area of this field, trapezium field, is given as 10,500. So we can put it as 150x is equal to 10,500. So area of the field is 10,500. That means 150x will be equal to 10,500. Therefore, x will be equal to 10,500 divided by 150. This 0 will get cancelled. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, then 5 1s are 5 and then 0. 3 7s are 21 and 0. So x will be equal to 70 meter. So we have got the value of the length near the roadside. Now what we want is the length of the side along the river, and that we know that it is 2 times of length along the roadside. So it is 2x. So 2 multiplied by 70, that will give us 140 meter. So length along the river side, it would be 140 meter.